Hey everyone! Even when it's cold out, sometimes you still crave something tangy. Today we're making a cold noodle soup that's perfect for days like this. Quick, easy, and full of flavor. Start by boiling water for your noodles and make the broth base while it heats. Mix 1 tablespoon red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon gochujang. Then add 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon vinegar if you like. Cook the noodles, rinse in cold water, and rub off the starch so they stay springy. Open a pack of cold noodle broth and mix it with the sauce. Place the noodles in a bowl and pour the cold broth over them. Add toppings you like, such as cucumber slices, boiled egg, or pickled radish. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top for a nutty finish. You can't really find this kind of cold noodle soup as instant food. When you don't feel like going out, making this at home is perfect. 1 bite and it cools you down from the inside out. I'll be back with another tasty recipe next time. Keep it simple with simplekmeal.